Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, CANON Pixma MegaTank G3470, and now I'm going to show you how to perform the deep cleaning on this device. To do that, firstly you should choose maintenance here in settings. Afterwards, scroll down and choose deep cleaning, and here just click yes. I will not do that just because my printer quality is perfect, but if you want to clean your print heads, so I suggest you to start with normal cleaning firstly, but it will not help, so choose deep cleaning. Deep cleaning will use a lot of inks. You need to know about it. It's using really a lot of inks, but you need to know that sometimes it's a very good idea just to change the print heads. It's not too expensive, and you can do it at home. It's really easy to do, so you can watch our video about how to change print heads on this device. It's very easy to do. It's like first setup. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.